In southwestern Pennsylvania, the health effects of an industrial fire more than 2 years ago are just now coming to light. A new study in the journal Toxics found asthma-related doctor and emergency room visits doubled in Clairton after a fire at the U.S. Steel coke plant there in December 2018. The fire left the plant's air pollution control equipment out of commission for 3 months. The study's senior author, Dr. Deborah Gentile, says because U.S. Steel kept the plant running, emissions were 25 to 35 times higher than they were before the fire.
And what we were able to show with the Clairton Coke Works fire was that, on top of that chronic exposure to pollution, when you have an acute event that raises the air pollution levels even more, you see these acute effects on asthma.
The study showed the increase in asthma cases correlated with higher levels of sulfur dioxide surrounding the plant. U.S. Steel announced in April it plans to shut down 3 of its high-polluting coke batteries in Clairton by 2023. Community members in the region have expressed frustration that they weren't notified about the fire in the immediate aftermath. Pittsburgh resident Howard Rieger, who started the group East End Neighbors Fight Pollution, says it's unacceptable there was no county alert system in place to warn people of environmental and public health hazards.
Well, how about a text message on our phones? When we're told we're going to get 5 inches of snow tomorrow, we get an alert. Why couldn't we get an alert about this? So, to a certain extent, I think the county was culpable. To a great extent, the company was culpable.
Rieger says just this year in April, Allegheny County started sending public air quality alerts. Last week, environmental groups requested that a federal court require U.S. Steel to confirm allegations that the company violated the Clean Air Act more than 12,000 times at its Mon Valley area plants in 2018 and 2019 in connection to a lawsuit. I'm Emily Scott with Keystone State News Connection.